Welcome to the 8th lesson of Enterprise Quality Management. MIS, Management Information Systems, IT tools for decision making and control. In this lesson, we'll try to answer the following questions. What is MIS, or Management Information System? What is ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, CRM, Customer Relationship Management, SCM, Supply Chain Management, KMS, Knowledge Management System, BI, Business Intelligence. What are MIS challenges? What are MIS quality metrics? What are IT management best practices? We'll start with MIS. According to IIM, International Institute of Management, MIS is a set of interrelated IT subsystems that automate the collection, storage, processing, and reporting of data for managerial decision making. So why do we need MIS in a business environment? The key benefits and goals of MIS include providing information for decision making, allowing coordination, monitoring, and control in the organization, providing automation to minimize errors, save time, effort, and money, provide tools for collaboration and user interaction, provide tools for enterprise-wide quality control. What are MIS tools? There are 5 main enterprise information systems that comprise the management information system in the enterprise. Supplier chain management, enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management, business intelligence, and knowledge management system. Let's start by defining supply chain management. SCM is defined as the management of flow of materials, information, and funds across the entire supply chain. Supply chain is a network of business entities working collectively to procure, manufacture, and distribute one or more products. It consists of a series of activities and processes that links suppliers and customers. It is estimated that most production and trading companies spend about 25% of their corporate budgets on supply chain management. Supply chain management activities include and expenses include inventory carrying, transportation, warehousing, order management, supply chain financing, and related IT expenses. In this slide, we'll explain how the supply chain operate. There are 4 key players in a typical supply chain: supplier, manufacturer, distributor, and customer. The customer would ask a question: I'd like to buy an X product. the distributor will check if they have that in stock, that product in stock. If they don't, they have to ask the manufacturer. The manufacturer will ask, do I have this product ready to ship? Do I have to make it? If I need to make it, do I have the material? And how soon can I get them? He will ask these questions to the supplier. The supplier will provide the raw materials for manufacturing and production. Therefore, the manufacturer can commit to the distributor, and in turn, the distributor can commit to the customer on the quantity and the time they can deliver for the products. The supply chain management consists of 4 subsystems, 4 IT subsystems: procurement or purchasing software, inventory management software, manufacturing, logistics, and e-commerce. Logistics, by the way, is shipping and transportation. This slide lists material flow and SCM quality checkpoints. Raw materials enter into manufacturing organization via supply system and are transformed into finished goods. The producers provide the components for assembly. Then they are tested, packaged, warehoused, and retailed. Several companies are linked together in the process, each adding value to the product as it moves from the or through the supply chain. The second subsystem of an MIS of an organizational MIS is the CRM, or Customer Relationship Management. CRM is defined as an integrated system of people, processes, and tools used to build stronger client relationships by managing marketing, sales, and customer service life cycles. Business is about relationships. It's about repeat business and having customers for life. CRM allows you to have customer profile, to observe and remember and learn from every interaction with the customer. It allows you to target and personalize your content and marketing message for each customer based on his profile and information. It allows you to manage the relationship with the customer, therefore ensuring customer retention and renewal, achieving 100% referenceability, measuring customer satisfaction through report cards, identifying additional products and services opportunities, identifying new market opportunities, creating and driving awareness programs and campaigns to facilitate adoption of new products, developing and managing service level agreements, providing best practices, expertise, and guidance. Why do we need CRM in the organization? Because the goals of any business is to get customers, keep customers, and grow their customer base. According to IIM research, it costs about 5 to 6 times more to sell a new customer than an existing one. The odds of selling a new customer is about 15%, while the odds of selling an existing customer is about 50%. The average business only hears from 5% of their customers who are dissatisfied with their products and services. The 5% complainers are more likely to stay with the supplier than the 96% who did not complain about the service or product. A typical dissatisfied customer tells about 10 people about their experience, mostly related to poor customer service. About 60% of the complainers would stay as customers if their problem was resolved, and about 80% would stay with the supplier if the problem was resolved quickly. CRM architecture. There are 3 subsystems for a CRM: marketing, sales, and service. CRM assists in the automation and management of information for marketing department, including the marketing manager, marketing analyst, and product and brand manager. It assists the sales department and the sales function of the sales manager, global account manager, sales rep, and sales assistant. It helps the service department by automating and providing information for the service manager, hotline specialist, external service engineer, and contact center agent. In short, creating a customer-focused company starts with implementing a CRM system. CRM also links cross-functional processes and break down communication barriers between departments, from sales force automation to customer support. Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP. What is ERP? ERP is an integrated system of people, processes, and tools used to record, process, and report on enterprise-wide business resources and transactions. ERP system consists of 5 subsystems: planning software, human resources or payroll software, finance and accounting software, production, and reporting. A typical example of ERP solution would be SAP R3, and it would have the following software packages, the following integrated software packages: financial accounting, controlling, asset management, project management system, office communication, specific industry solutions, whether it's for healthcare, manufacturing, services company, etc. Human resources, plant maintenance, quality management, production planning, material management, and sales and distribution. ERP functionality. ERP automates data collection, processing, and reporting for forecasting demands and expenses, schedule projects, purchase new material, managing inventory, manufacturing and production, sales, and basic account management. Why do we need ERP in the organization? ERP helps in supply chain cost reduction by purchasing leverage, inventory reduction, and operating cost reduction. It can be used as a catalyst for re-engineering and process automation. It provides better information for better planning. It allows access to information and linkage to planning systems for forward visibility. It helps increase the performance and productivity of the organization by measuring and controlling service levels and responsiveness. Data is updated in real time and single set of numbers across the entire organization over multiple databases of multiple systems. ERP provides end-to-end process view of business versus functional silos. It allows the integration of systems via the aggregation of the data from multiple databases into a single database. It supports most of the company information needs. It provides automation and online transaction processing. It automates accounting, payroll, invoicing, supply chain optimization, Salesforce automation, and customer service. It lays the foundation for electronic commerce. And of course, it leads to improved performance and better decision making. Let's take a look at enterprise process automation. A customer places, let's take an example of the order processing process. A salesperson generates a code for a customer equipment overseas. The system immediately creates product configuration, price, delivery date, shipping method, and other information. The customer accepts the code over the internet. Then the system checks the customer credit limit. If it is approved, the system automatically schedules shipping and reserves materials. Then order parts from the supplier and schedule assembly. Update the sales and production forecast. Creates MRP or material resource planning and bill of material list. Updates salesperson's payroll with a commission. Calculates cost and profitability for this transaction and add that to the general ledger. Updates accounting and financial record. So you can see how an enterprise resource planning automates several processes across the entire enterprise, thus saving substantial amount in time, effort, and money, as well as minimizing errors through automation. Knowledge management system. What is knowledge? Knowledge is a framed experience, a set of values, provide contextual information and expert insight. Knowledge management system element consists of people, programs, products, papers, practices, processes, and patents. KMS is defined as, or knowledge management system, is an IT-enabled system used to store, organize, share, and manage enterprise-wide information. Why do we need a knowledge management system? to make knowledge more accessible, retainable, and usable and reusable by other users. The knowledge management system consists of 5 subsystems: information architecture, storage, document management, collaboration, and search engine. The 5th and the final subsystem of management information system is business intelligence and portals. What is BI, or business intelligence? It's a system that aggregates databases and removes silos to allow enterprise-wide sharing of information. At the heart of it, there's an analysis engine or executive information system with data mining patterns. Business intelligence or business intelligence portals are really used as decision support system. The 5 subsystems of a business intelligence include the data objects, presentation dashboards, data warehouse, data mining, and the executive information system portal. The BI portal provides information access, data convergence of video, audio, and text, collaboration tools like email, calendar, and chatting, personalization of content, news, and presentation. A simple example of business intelligence portals is portals like Yahoo and MSN. They allow the user to customize what kind of information they require displayed on their web page. CIO, or Chief Information Officer, challenges. The IT manager challenges, there are 5 main challenges: enterprise information architecture, software development, software and hardware integration, maintenance of the system, and the continuous changes via upgrades, relocations, and disposal of old systems. I strongly recommend that you research 2 ICT best practices: the ISO FCAPS and the TMF FAB. ISO FCAPS provide operation management best practices for IT, and the FCAPS acronym stands for fault management, configuration management, accounting management, performance management, and security management. TMF is the Telecommunication Management Forum, and they published a best practices model for the IT management or the telecom management, which is illustrated by FAB, and FAB stands for fulfillment, assurance, and billing. Enterprise architecture. There are 5 layers of the management information system. The first layer is the network infrastructure. The second layer is the hardware which is the PC, software, and storage. The third layer is the operating systems, which can be Unix, Linux, Windows, and mainframe. Then there are the file servers, database servers, mail servers, web and security servers. After that, the fifth layer is the applications themselves, and we mentioned the ERP, CRM, KMS, SCM, and BI. Another useful best practices model is IAM e-business development framework. The framework consists of 5 phases: plan, analyze, design, build, operate, and if you are an IT supplier, 6th phase would be transfer. The plan phase consists of the IT project initiation, communication and managing vendors, people, budget, tools, time, quality, risk, and communication. And of course, setting monitoring and control standards. Then the second phase of an IT project is to analyze the system by gathering business requirement, user requirement, and system requirement. After you analyze the system and you collected the data, you conduct your design phase. You create a technical design and architecture solutions. After you verify, and of course at each of these stages, by the way, you always have to test for quality control. At the 4th stage or phase, you start building your e-business solution by identifying the components, by coding, and the integrations of various components and subsystems. When the software or the e-business system is complete, you install it, roll it out, manage it, and then of course you maintain it and upgrade it continuously. IT metrics. What are the IT metrics? To measure the performance of an IT system, we look at the following 8 metrics. Scalability, basically how many transactions the system can take per second or per minute, how many users it can support. Security, how secure it is. Manageability, how easy it is to manage it. Availability, what's its uptime, its failure ratio. Stability, how stable it is. Portability, can the data and the information be ported from one platform to the other. Extensibility, can it be extended. Integration, can it easily integrate with other software and subsystems. For successful IT implementation, you need executive support. You need to manage the cost, make sure that you outline maintenance and service level agreements, establish support base within the organization, involve consultants. IT projects is always about people, so make sure you train them, educate them, and involve them. You have a process for change management. In this lesson, we defined MIS, or Management Information System. We explained ERP, CRM, SCM, KMS, and BI portals. We outlined CIO and MIS challenges. And we listed MIS quality metrics. For more information on the subject, you can refer to British Standard Institute, ogc.gov.uk, itsmf.com, and iam-edu.org. With this slide, we come to the end of the lesson. For more information on this lesson, for questions and answers, and reference book, please refer to UNINETTUNO website and go to the section Medhat Younes. Thank you.